Hello. Can I help you find something?
Hello? Yes, please. Where is the milk?
The milk is in the back, near the eggs.
Thank you. Do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, the bread is right here on the left.
It smells very good. How much is one loaf?
One loaf of bread is $2.
Okay, I will take 2 loaves, please.
Anything else for you today?
Yes, I need some red apples.
The apples are over there, near the bananas.
Are the apples sweet or sour?
They are very sweet and juicy.
Great. I will take 5 apples.
Is that all for today?
Yes, that is all. Where is the cash desk?
The cash desk is at the front of the shop.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all credit cards.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Hello. Are you the new neighbor?
Hello. Yes, I moved in yesterday.
Welcome. My name is Kevin. I live in apartment 5.
Nice to meet you, Kevin. I am Linda.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Toronto. It is a big city.
Oh, Toronto is very cold in winter, right?
Yes, it is very snowy and cold.
Do you like this building?
Yes, it is very quiet and clean.
Is your apartment big or small?
It is a small apartment, but it is cozy.
Do you have any pets?
I have a small dog named Toby.
I like dogs. I have a cat.
That is nice. Maybe they can meet one day.
Yes, that is a good idea.
I need to go now. I have many boxes.
Do you need help with the boxes?
No, thank you. You are very kind.
Hello. Where do you want to go?
Hello, I want to go to the train station.
No problem. It is not very far.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Yes, the traffic is heavy in the center.
I am in a hurry. My train leaves soon.
Don't worry. I know a faster way.
Thank you. Is the train station open now?
Yes, it is open 24 hours a day.
Good. How long is the trip?
It takes about 15 minutes.
That is perfect. Is it expensive?
No, it is about $10.
Can you turn on the radio, please?
Of course. Do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music and rock.
Look, we are here. This is the station.
Wow, that was very fast.
That is $10, please.
Here is 12. Keep the change.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I am looking for a book.
What is the title of the book?
The title is English Grammar for All.
Let me check the computer. Yes, we have it.
Where is the book located?
It is in Section B on the second shelf.
Can I take the book home?
Yes, but you need a library card.
How do I get a library card?
Please write your name and address here.
Okay, I am finished. Here is the paper.
Thank you. Here is your card.
How long can I keep the book?
You can keep it for 3 weeks.
What happens if I am late?
You need to pay a small fine.
I understand. I will be careful.
Please remember to be quiet.
I will. Thank you. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, what is the problem?
I am lost. Where is the central bank?
The central bank is on Main Street.
Is it far from here?
No, it is a 10-minute walk.
Can I go there by bus?
Yes, take bus number 5.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is across the street.
Should I turn left or right?
Turn right at the big supermarket.
I see. Is the bank near the park?
Yes, it is right next to the park.
Thank you so much. I am very nervous.
Don't worry, this city is very easy.
You are very kind. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Goodbye.